Hello all, I'm Himanshu Deshmukh here. We usually talk about the mind power or the physical fitness, but it is evident, it is very clear, and you would agree with me that mind and body are interconnected. They are dependent on each other. Some people say that mind rules the body, some people say body rules the mind. But I believe that it is interlinked. If you are physically fit, then your mind is also stable, and if you are mentally stable, then you can work on your physical fitness. So let's talk about how should we leverage this mind power to get that physical fitness. So I'm going to talk about the 7 steps which will be helpful to leverage the mind power to get that physical fitness in this video. So first and the foremost thing is that first you will need to have the awareness. We will need to understand that where you are currently, what is your current state is. You will need to have the complete understanding of that where I am, what is my current state in terms of the health I'm talking about, in terms of the physical fitness. The second thing is where you want to go, like the specific goals. We have seen we have done one video on that. What is that specific goal you want to achieve? In this video, we are talking specifically from body perspective, that a physical fitness perspective. Is it specific? Do you have if you are looking for weight loss, then how much weight loss, and you want to reduce it by what date? Is it like measurable? Like if you are having the specific number, I want to achieve X percentage of the muscle mass, or you want to reduce X percentage of the fat, then these are like specific things. And if you add the timeline into this, then like by December 2021, I want to reduce say like 20 kg of my weight, or I would say the 20 kg of my fat, then this is like a specific goal. Then third thing is that you will need to analyze what are those habits which I will need to work to achieve that goal. We have seen this in earlier video as well, that whatever the goal is, what is the path to achieve that goal? So there are some kind of habits where you will need to work on, and that habit also, if it is a new habit, then it takes time. So you have to break it down into tiny habits. For example, with respect to nutrition, that if you start with some small basic tiny habits, that if you start eating one banana every morning, right? I mean, this is something like you want to increase the fiber, and then the goal is to have adequate amount of fruits, but then you start with one banana every morning. So that is like a tiny habit which you can have. And then there is a technique which we have seen, that there should be a cue, that something should give you a kind of trigger, or something should give you kind of that kind of cue that yes, I want to eat banana now, I should eat banana now. Then fourth thing is auto suggestions. Like we have seen that there is a tremendous power in a subconscious mind, and then we have to leverage this subconscious mind power. There are so many things which are already programmed directly, indirectly from our childhood days, and then we had to really work on those. But how you will do that? So you have to program your subconscious mind with some kind of affirmations, like in this case, health affirmations, that day by day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. It could be a kind of negative programming in your mind, that as age grows, then you get some kind of negative results, negative consequences you have to face. Now, this is a kind of negative programming. With some positive auto suggestions, that I have seen a lot of old people who are fit and fine, and I am also getting a lot of better health as I grow. That kind of auto suggestions, if you give, there are so many things which we can discuss in detail as well. Then this will do the programming of your subconscious mind, and that will, subconscious mind will accept that this is the reality, this person is very healthy, and then that will become the reality. Then the modeling. I usually believe in modeling part of it. Modeling means that you have to understand, or you have to do your own research to find out that who is that person who has achieved the goal which I want to achieve. And then think about from his perspective, or from his or her perspective, that how he has achieved that goal. What kind of thought process, what kind of habits, what kind of lifestyle he must have followed to achieve that goal. And once you will do that, then you will realize many things. And if you would implement on those, then you will get faster results. So this is the best and effective and smart way of achieving faster results in life modeling. Fourth thing, sixth thing is visualization. Whatever your goal is, you have to visualize that goal. Use your five senses. Like you should able to see that goal, that result. Suppose with respect to physical fitness, and if we are talking specifically from weight loss perspective, then you have to see yourself in that shape. That weight loss has happened. You are fit and fine. And you see that as a colorful picture in front of you. Then you can hear it that some friends are saying that how kind of fitness you got in such a short span of time, and then they are appreciating you. Then it could be like touch as well, that some people are patting on your back, and then they are saying that yes, you have done it, and at this age as well you have got greater amount of fitness. So that kind of senses you have to leverage in this visualization, and you have to do this regular basis, and then definitely it will become the reality, because we are saying to subconscious mind, or we are programming to subconscious mind that yes, this is the reality, and it is my order to you to make it a reality as soon as possible. And then the journal activity, I strongly believe that it is very essential to follow a kind of gratitude, writing gratitude every day. Like if you write down three things which happened positively in your whole day, write it down. What will happen? It will create that kind of positive vibration. Gratitude vibration is very powerful. And if you follow all these things, then definitely you will leverage that mind power to get that physical fitness. So these are the 7 things which I wanted to share with you. First is awareness. Where are you currently? What is your specific goal? You should have the clarity. Where do you want to go? And then goal is clear, then work on the tiny habits. And once you start working on your tiny habits, then it will become the part of your lifestyle. Then once you will start working on this, then it will become your lifestyle, and then it will become your identity as well. So once your identity is of healthy person, then ultimately, automatically, a lot of things will happen, a lot of positive things will happen. And like as I said, that gratitude journal is also very essential, that if you create those kind of positive vibrations, then that kind of things will attract in your life. So these are the 7 things which I want to share with you. Please follow it, and please give me feedback. Thank you.